Hello and welcome. Today we will learn how to add photo and text. Go to Apps. Select Font Frame. Type in your text. Upload your photo. You can adjust scale of the image. Click and drag in the frame to adjust position of the image. Click on Setting to change font. Select the font you want. Adjust the letter spacing. Adjust outline thickness. If you have multiple lines, you can adjust line spacing. If you are happy with all settings, click on Add to Design.